Yes, well done, welcome. This is how to solve exponential equations that can be reduced to quadratic equation. Now take this for an example. We want to solve 5 raised to the power 2x minus 26 into bracket 5 raised to the power x close bracket plus 25 equals to 0. If you look at this question, we have 5 raised to the power 2x. Then we have 5 raised to the power x. And of course, if you also look at 25, you will discover that 25 can be raised to the power of 2. Now, the clue is this. When you have 5 raised to the power 2x, let it also be the same form as 5 raised to the power x. Meaning, we are going to have 5 raised to the power x. The 2 that is there, let it be outside. Because when powers multiply, these powers, 2 and x, 2 times x will give you 2x. So we can separate it like this, so that we have minus 26 raised to power into bracket 5 raised to power x plus 25 equals to 0. Now, as you can see, we have 5 raised to power x here, 5 raised to power x here. Meaning, we can replace 5 raised to power x with an alphabet in order for us to solve this question conveniently. Now, just say let p be equals to 5 raised to power x. You could use any other alphabet, okay? So, wherever you see 5 raised to power x, replace it with p. Now, let's go. 5 raised to power x, we have p. The 2 outside, put it on top. That will be p squared minus 26. This 5 raised to power x replaced by p plus 25 equals to 0. As you can see, this has led to a quadratic equation. In case you don't know how to solve quadratic equation, you will see it in one of my videos, which will pop up on the screen. Now, when you solve this quadratically, you are going to get p equals to 1 or 25. P equals to 1 or 25 after you have solved the quadratic equation. That is not the end. When you have 1 or 25, what you do is you replace it. You substitute the values of this p back into the 5 raised to power x you have initially. Don't forget, you said, recall, your p was equals to 5 raised to power x. So, when p is 1, replace p with this one. So we have 1 equals to 5 raised to power x. And this 1, let it also be 5 raised to power something. So 1 will be 5 raised to power 0 equals to 5 raised to power x. 5 will cancel 5 because they are in the same base now, and your x will be equal to 0. Now, when p equals to 25, when p is 25, you say 25 equals to 5 raised to power x. Don't forget, we are referring to this when you said p representing 5 raised to power x. So, 25, to be in this format of 5 raised to power x, will be 5 raised to power 2 equals to 5 raised to power x. Of course, we have the same base, and you can now proceed to conveniently cancel. So 5 cancels 5, and we have x equals